Hi guys, Andrew here. Today I will be doing another unboxing, this time from the Chinese manufacturer that I'm sure you've all heard about, OnePlus. We will unbox their wireless headphones, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless. Here in Europe you can find them directly from oneplus.com for 69 euros. I don't recommend buying them from another reseller because they always charge you more than OnePlus. If OnePlus does not have them in stock, you could wait a little bit, or if you're eager, you could buy them from a reseller. So with that out of the way, let's get started. Let's get this bad boy here. It's a nice package at the first glance. You could pause the video here if you want to see the specs, but yeah. They have a little emboss on the drawings and also on the logo of OnePlus. It's a nice touch. Okay, so my nifty knife, and let's see if I can unbox this. If my nifty knife can cut through plastic, and that's that's kind of awkward. Come on. Yeah, okay. Almost there. I need to go all around. And there we are. Let's put the plastic aside and let's see what we have inside. Oh, okay. We have a box inside a box. Let's open it. Okay, so here you have the adapters for, I think they're called adapters, for different ear sizes. So also the ear thing is, I don't know how they call them. And this red pouch, man, listen to the sound of. Okay, so inside we have a cable, and listen to the sound. Yeah. OnePlus logo on it. Yeah, it's a nice carrying pouch, I think. And going to the oh, okay, so the headphones are sticking out a little bit. And Free Your Music by OnePlus. I think they're referring to the cables that you always have to carrying around with you from your phone to your head. I don't know. Okay, so we have another seal here. Okay, this. Some user manuals, I think. Yeah, we don't need this. And this black, nice card, I think it's the quick start guide. Okay, so going back to the headphones. Not headphones, earbuds. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. I didn't mean to do that. Yeah. So don't just try to get them out without taking out the whole thing. Apparently it's glued to the box. Here they are. They're not that heavy. Here we have the charging port, so it's a USB 3.0. And the button with the OnePlus logo. I think it's the power button. So let's try to turn them on. Yay, we have power. The remote for volume up, volume down, and I think Google Assistant. And oh yeah, they have a magnet, right? Yeah. And yeah, it's pretty strong magnet, so it won't fall off. See? Okay guys, that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, hit the like button. Oh, I forgot to show you the battery. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and see you guys next time.